Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to upload guys Infinix phone guys lock screen pattern guys. How can we set and how can we use it? Friends, you want to set guys your lock screen pattern locks and how can you set and how can you use in your Infinix phone device today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we set guys Infinix phone guys phone pattern lock. So we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting we will scroll it. Friends, you will have to click on guys your phone security setting. We will click on guys phone security, and friends, you can see phone security setting guys, fingerprint lock, face lock, screen lock, and app lock setting. So you will have to click on screen lock setting guys. Guys, click on pattern lock guys. We will tap here. Friends, you can see this notification. Tap here. Friends, cannot at least 4 dots. So friends, now we will draw a pattern. So guys, if you take get the 3 dots, so friends, it will not work guys. 4 dots we will have to choose. So guys, I will take get the Z pattern, and don't forget your pattern guys. Remember your pattern. If you forget, you will have to erase your data guys. So guys, 2 times we will do Z same pattern, confirm. Then guys, come back and friends, you can see guys we have guys this pattern lock on our lock screen guys, you can see. So guys, we will draw our pattern to unlock our Infinix phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.